Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency teamed up with VP Records on Saturday night for its Strictly the Best event. VP, who last Friday released their yearly compilation of the best songs for the previous period, took over the segment of Fame Frequency and treated fans to an exclusive preview of some of the tracks from the newly released Strictly the Best Volume 61. Now, the captain, Colin Hines, steered the ship with some of the 2020 hits from the reggae and dancehall compilation.
Dwayne Stevens, Romain Berger, this is Caribbean Girls.
Caribbean girl.
Strictly the Best 61.
And of all the places that I've ever been.
Strike force, yeah. Strike force, yeah.
The red carpet, set me see my goal and go for that like my last it. Pull up this and full up anywhere with my pocket, pretty face.
VP Records also gave fans a special performance from the hold you artist, Egyptian, who is featured on the reggae album.
Lord, I always want to see you. Are you invited on the phone? It's warm and easy. This is not love, what else it is? Oh. Listen, and I said these are some serious times. All I can see around us is COVID-19 in style.
It's all about VP Strictly the Best 61 celebration of new production. Only for young artists, only for old artists. From them time we're upon the 61, we're upon the 40, the 50, the 20 go right up. Yeah, original Egyptian.
Egyptian also hinted about his new project titled Warm and Easy, due out soon.
Look out for a lot of new production in the music fraternity from us. And always working on music. The new album. Well, VP I take so long for do, but them are going to do it now. It's like Warm and Easy. Best album, the album title.
Strictly the Best Volume 61 is the latest edition in the long-running compilation series. This year, the two discs are loaded with 12 reggae and 12 dancehall tracks each. Strictly the Best Volume 61 is now available on all streaming platforms. And Fame Frequency this Saturday will present Tropical Rave with the raving king himself, Ding Dong, performing live. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.